So, ang tanong ng bayan,
Naka-professional mode na ba ang lahat?
so ayun na nga guys, may bagong Facebook update tayo. Ito ang professional mode. Ano nga ba ang meron sa professional mode at anong makukuha natin dito? Well, sa Facebook, alam nyo naman, meron tayong pang profile picture and meron din tayong pang business, which is yung page. Well, kung dati sa page ka lang pwedeng magkapera, ngayon pwede na sa professional mode gamit ang sarili nyong profile. So again guys, may pera na sa Facebook profile. Hindi lang yan, mas dadami pa yung mga friends natin and followers. Bakit? Siguro ginawa ito ni Facebook para sa mga small business owners and sa mga artists and marami pang iba. Dahil technically, kung meron ka ng professional mode, hindi mo na kailangang gumawa pa ng Facebook business page. At mahirapang i-invite yung friends mo papunta sa Facebook page. Meron ka na agad wide audiences na susuporta sa small business mo or talent. And hindi lang yan guys, meron na ring insights. Ang insight ay detailed information ng ating mga post. Doon natin nakikita kung ilan yung nare-reach na audiences ng ating posts or videos. Well, I will create another video for that. Pero sa ngayon, paano nga ba i-turn on ang professional mode? Pumunta lang kayo sa inyong profile page and click the 3 dots options. And at the bottom part, there you have it. It says turn on professional mode. If ever you want to turn it off, you can always go back to the same procedures. Just a warning guys, pag tinurn off nyo yung professional mode, mawawala yung record ng insights or yung na-track ni Facebook dun sa mga posts and videos nyo. But don't worry guys, kung ano man yung na-earn nyo sa videos na yon, it will stay. So yeah, let's go back. Like what I've said earlier guys, these are the benefits of professional mode. You can earn money, track your posts, and you can get a lot of friends and followers. So here, you can choose what category you're in. Ikaw ba ay digital creator, comedian, blogger, and that's it. You just have to click done and you're good. Congrats! Marami pang ipapagawa sa'yo sa Facebook, pero more on update lang sa profile. Ang importante ngayon is, paano ba tayo kikita? Click mo lang ang menu sa profile page mo. Then, click Professional Dashboard. Then, click the star icon. So here, it says that you can earn money with stars. But how? Let me give you an example, guys. Kung napapansin nyo sa mga reels, meron ng icon na give. And meron din sa mismong post video ng content creator. And once you click that, it will show you the price of the stars. And you can pay it kung ano man ang nakalink sa Google account mo. Ang equivalent ng 1 star is equals to $0.01. So that is 50 cents per 1 star sa atin. So overall, this is what you will get depende sa stars na nare-receive nyo. Take note guys, you can only get your payout pag naka-reach na kayo ng $100. So let's get started. Facebook will only ask you for your basic informations. And don't forget your TIN number or tax identification number. It consists of 12 numbers. So lagyan nyo lang ng 3 zero sa huli. The most important part is syempre kung saan nyo makukuha yung pera nyo. You can link your PayPal or your bank account. Please be reminded that you will need a certain criteria to be eligible for this. Pero don't worry guys, unlike sa page na kailangan ng 10,000 followers, sa professional mode, you will just need a 1,000 followers. If ever meron na kayong 1,000 friends or followers, and wala kayong nakikitang turn on professional mode, you just have to update your app. And if ever wala kayong stars icon or nawala after nyo i-turn off yung professional mode, you just have to wait at least 2 to 3 days and babalik din naman yon. Kung gusto nyo naman magkaroon ng ads sa Reels or ads sa mga videos nyo, it's just the same guys. Kailangan nyo ng 10,000 followers. So, ayun lang guys. I hope that you will succeed. Pag nagustuhan naman ng mga tao ang iyong content at nakakatulong ka talaga, then they will give you stars of course. So, good luck sa atin. Goodbye! Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe!